Okay, language explorers, so let's look at today's Monday noun. So, name. Name. How someone or something is addressed. What something is called. What something or someone is called. Yeah, so my name is Adrian. What is your name? What is your name? Yeah. What is your name? Yeah. Do you know their names? Do you know their names? Yeah. So their names, their names. Let's change that. Their names must be different from ours. Yeah. So we have name just one, singular, and names, 2 plus, plural. I have a name, and all these people have names as well. I have a name, but I don't know their names. I don't know their names. I know his name, but I know his name. I know his name. I don't know their names. Makes sense. How cool is that? So then, I used to have some dogs with different names. Yes, the names of my dogs were Woody, Savannah, and Penny. Yeah, 3 dogs and 3 names. Makes sense. How cool is that? And this is my name. This is my name. Look closer. Can you read my name? Can you read my name? Adrian Nanchev. My name. Yeah. My name, like here. Yeah. How cool is that? And your name will be something different. Makes sense. How cool is that? So, how are you going to learn his name? Yeah. I have a friend from Hong Kong, and he thought his name was difficult for me to say. So my friend thought his name was difficult for me to say. It was easy, an easy name for me to pronounce. It was an easy name for me to pronounce. Easy. Yeah. 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 How cool is that? Yeah, very good. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So yeah, so name. How someone or something is addressed. This book has a name. It's a title. I have a name. They have different names. It has a name. That machine has a name. That dog has a name. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use name in a sentence? And comment below. Yeah, comment the sentence below. And subscribe to the channel. Give the video a like. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy as well. Adrian Nanchev. Because it's my name. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.